Meaning of farfalle.
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 Farfalle. Farfalle is an Italian word that literally translates to butterflies in English. In the culinary world, farfalle refers to a type of pasta that has a distinct butterfly-like shape. The pasta is made by cutting a flat piece of dough into small rectangles and then pinching the center to create a bowtie shape. Farfalle is a versatile pasta that can be used in a variety of dishes, as its unique shape helps hold on to sauces. This pasta is a popular choice for salads, casseroles, and hearty meat sauces.